Alright, we back. Crasher, back. We got wheels loaded up back there. As a lot of you guys know, I had this junk 86. They got burnt. So today, we're going to get a new 86. The 86 has been picked up 7 hours later, for f***'s sakes. Gas cap doesn't work. It's a piece of shit, but you know, we'll make her nice. She's got fucking plenty of parts. Holy TE72 rims. Hood is strapped down. She's fucking mint. Look at this guy. This guy's here to meet a 13-year-old girl. I don't think we've showed this on the YouTube yet. But Walker bought a junker. A real junker. He bought a real junker. Holy fuck. It's actually not windy for once in one of our videos. Holy shit. We're putting new trunk on.
Show the rust. Show the rust.
Oh, recently. Fuck. Hey, Jesus Christ. Well, I want to show them all the rust.
Hey, no. No.
Holy shit.
No, please.
Holy shit. Also, we're gonna go to T-Town and show the new 86.
We wasted all this money on that fucking shitty ass Corolla.
Tell yourself.
Right in there. Oh. Listen.
What a fucking
Fishing for houses,
retard.
baby.
Holy fuck.
My lights still don't work. Yippee. Shitty fucking BMW.
Holy back. We got Walker's Game Mobile.
I'm taking this off because last time I didn't, it spilled everywhere.
God, thinking. And Walker's other Game Mobile. It's actually not that gay. It's kind of pimping. Kind of pimping. Those wheels are gay though.
Fuck you. Better yours.
Those ones are cool. Shut the fuck up. Those ones are cool. But I have 8.5 lights to tell you, so.
14s on 15s.
What do you mean? I have 14-inch 8.5. Oh, not center lines.
Yeah.
Center lines are gay. I don't want. Crasher sticker, coolest part of this car. And so is that one. Coolest thing in this car. Oh, lady, he's got the moist boys pressure in there.
Yeah, look what's on here though, buddy.
Alright. Fucking gay. Fucking gay. Did I give you that or no? Did you order that? Oh, yeah.
You're gonna have to fix it one up.
Yeah, they all got fucking burnt.
This be happened because of you.
No, it didn't.
This was you. You caused this.
No.
All because you wanted to get it done faster.
Fuck you.
We could have just waited for the oil to cool down and I could have just done it.
You know, if you had brake clean, you could just.
Well, we don't have to do brake clean anymore.
What the fuck happened to brake clean?
They changed recipes.
So you just haven't bought it anymore?
No.
What if you did that and I had my dick out? Okay, here's the 86. It will be cool eventually.
Stop hitting it!
It will be cool. I'll get it running. 2 months, you know, big one.
Boo! We want to see it now. Boo! Where's all your money? Come on, man. Your YouTube. Dude, stop, dude. Hey, I'm not allowed to hit it with a hammer. Okay.
I could like. Oh, fuck, eh?
Lighting's not that good in the shop.
No, not great. I don't know if I'm gonna get that up. Hey, leave it alone, man.
Now this one. Get a hammer and start hammering the outside of this. Take this off and start beating every little piece out of that.
I don't think it's going back to normal, man.
Give me a hammer and a piece of wood.
No, it's not going back to normal. I don't know, man.
Trust.
Oh. That's fucked up. I'm gonna get that 4A done. Finish the fuck up.
Ordered so much. So much.
Shit, eh? Here's our fuel door that for some reason somebody cut that off. So it does not close. That's as far as it'll go.
Ow!
Dumbass.
Kitty! How'd you get in here?
Oh, he's just a chill guy.
Just gonna shut him in there.
He'll find his way out.
What do you mean he'll find his way out?
He's always all right.
He's just trapped in there.
No, he's chilling.
No, fuck you.
Inside of the car. We got stock steering wheel. Stock steering wheel.
Quick release, I like it.
A dash that I traded wheels for.
Yeah, look at that 86 fanboys. Fucking red dash.
Should I give a light?
Yeah, you probably should. I mean, expert. Yeah, red dash.
We got brake booster with no master.
Why do you say that? Why's it got no master? You implying something, buddy?
Trim piece that I probably will not run. Another signal light.
Yeah, the cokey one with the missing fucking plate.
Grill.
Bottom, top part of the grill. Oh, that's the one for the under the steering wheel.
Yeah, that. We got lowering springs that the last owner decided to cut in half.
Literally in half.
Thanks, Elliot. It's very nice of you. Keep in mind, here's the original. Thanks, Elliot. Very nice of you. I do have rear coilovers for this car. Oh, we got
There's a fender here.
Hey man, watch the paint work, man.
Just a big wiener on the door. Hey man, you got carpet in here? Shit. Let me just there you go.
So this has to be welded in. I don't know what the fuck that is. That's gotta be
That's
welded
your trunk cables.
That's gotta be welded in there. Ow, my fucking foot. Fuck. Dude, I can't get comfortable in this. Why is there no seats? Okay. This has to be welded in. Right there. That's about it. Those holes are
Factory.
Little drain plug there.
You don't need that.
I think that's about it. Hey man, watch the headliner.
I don't fit.
Badass. Oh, they shit.
I don't fit in this car.
Badass.
I'm also sitting up here.
That's the AE86. I hope you guys are intrigued to see what I do with it. We'll get the 4AGE going. And then I have to afford a transmission and rear-end somehow. Mine got fucking burnt. I actually don't know what's in that box. Could be something nice. Meow meow. Meow meow. Hi. That's it for the video this weekend. It's short, but fuck you guys.
We don't know that yet.
Fuck you guys.
What'd they do?
I don't know.